Welcome to the second chapter of class 8. Now we are discussing the question number 14 of exercise 2.2. In this question, it is given that Lakshmi is the cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the currency notes are 2 is to 3 is to 5 respectively. The total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination does she have? So here we are given that she has some denomination that rupees 100, 50 and 10. Their ratio is 2 is to 3 is to 5. Ratio of denomination has been given and the total amount, total cash she has with her is 4 lakh. So we need to find which denomination is present in how many number with her. So it is very easy. The ratio is already been given. Let us consider number of 100 rupees note with her is 2x. Let us consider this 100 rupees note is present in 2x number. Number of rupees 50 note is 3x. Number of rupees 10 note is 5x. It means she has 2x number of 100 rupees note, she has 3x number of 50 rupees note, she has 5x number of 10 rupees note. So if she has 2x number of 100 rupees note, then how much amount that makes? From 2x number of 100 rupees note, how much will it be? See, if I take 100 rupee note, then it will make 100 rupees only. If I take 200 rupees note, it will make 200 rupees. If I take 10 100 rupees note, then it will make 1000 rupees, means 10 into 100. So if I take 2x 100 rupee note, then it will make 2x into 100, that equals to 200x rupees. Similarly, if I take 3x 50 rupees note, from 3x number of 50 rupees note, what amount shall we get? That will be 3x into 50. That is 150x rupees. Similarly, from 5x number of 10 rupees note, we will get 5x into 10, that is equal to 50x rupees. So again, it's been given in the question that the total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh rupees. We will mention it here that according to question, total cash available with her equals to 4 lakh rupees. Therefore, all the notes in total make the sum that amounts 4 lakh rupees. Means if we add all the amounts made from the three types of note, three types of denomination, will add up to this one. So 200x plus 150x plus 50x equals to 4 lakh. Now it is very easy to add these like terms. 200 plus 150 plus 50 are 400. So it becomes 400x equals to 4 lakh. Therefore x is equal to 4 lakh divided by 400. Cancel 2 zero here and here. Therefore, x becomes 4000 only. So, we have considered 100 rupees note as 2x. Now, it is very easy to find out the number of 100 rupees note. We considered it as 2x. So, it will be 2 into 4000, that is 8000. Similarly, the number of rupees 50 note, it will be equal to 3x, that is 3 into 4000. So, x is equal to 4000 by 4, that is x equal to 1000 number. Therefore, number of 100 rupees note. Here we found the value of x. Now we need to find how many 100 rupees note are present, that is 2x. We had considered it as 2x. So we will now find what is the value of 2x here. So 2x, this equal to, substitute the value of x here, 2 into 1000, that is 2000. So we have 2000 100 rupee note. Similarly, number of rupees 50 note, that is 3x. So 3 into 1000, that is 3000. Again, number of 10 rupee note is 5x. 5 into 100, that is 1000, that is 5000. When some values are given in ratio, this way we have to find the result. I hope you have understood it very well. Thank you.